Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and so right now, as you can see, we're in Dubai and we are heading to Dubai Mall. So basically, in the plane, we had a challenge. Who spots Burj Khalifa first in Dubai? Cedric, I won the challenge. You remember the challenge you had in the airport, in the plane? Here's Burj Khalifa. Yes. Okay, so we just made it over to Dubai Mall. And Cedric, what's our plan now?
Now we just spend like some time here in this mall, go shopping a bit. And after that we go to the aquarium and underwater zoo, which is also in this mall.
Yes, so we're gonna just spend some hours here, probably looking for like either clothes and so on, even some camera equipment. I saw like a lot of good offers for especially camera equipment. Cedric is getting his new GoPro soon.
Yes.
So he might need some equipment as well. So yeah, that's gonna be like our first plan. And then later on, we will go to Burj Khalifa. Excited about that.
Of course.
And now we're entering the second part. And here you have like this moon jelly, and they're invisible, so you get to see them like in different colors, but it looks sick.
It's all fun until you get to see the crocodile.
This here is king frog.
And these guys are crocodile eggs.
And this is the size of my hand next to it. So basically one of them is king and the other one is the queen. I would guess that this is the queen and the other one over there is the king, because it's way bigger in size. Look at its eye. Oh my lord. Here is the mind-blowing one. He can go up to 12 months without food, waiting for an opportunity. That's why I never trust these. Okay, so now that we're done the aquarium, we're just going around like doing kind of window shopping. But we haven't got anything like so far, but we have an idea of what we're gonna get. Cedric, anything you wanna add?
Even though it's Dubai Mall, we still struggle to find good camera equipment.
There's a lot of tech shops over here, yes, but not all of them have the equipment we're looking for, because he's looking for, you know, this chest mount for his GoPro, which is arriving was supposed to arrive today actually. And for me, I'm just looking like for some lenses and so on, but I didn't find like a good one yet. And there's like a huge difference in prices when I go from a shop to a shop, so yeah, we're struggling a little bit here. Yo, so we're in Burj Khalifa right now, but we came a little bit too early, so we have to come in 15 minutes. That means we have time to watch the fountain show, which will be played like outside in 10 minutes. So we made it exactly on time actually. now after the fountain show, we're going to the top of Burj Khalifa. Through our way to the top, they tell a little bit of Dubai's story and so. From the earth to the sky. It's very known like expression here in Dubai, description of the city basically.
This lift takes up to 25 people to 125th floor in just 60 seconds. Not just that it's considered as fastest elevator in the world, but it's also the longest single running elevator in the world. From the top of Burj Khalifa, you get to see the whole downtown of Dubai. And if you're lucky like us, you'll get to see the fountain show from the top as well. By the way, don't forget to take a souvenir photo up there.
Yo, what's up guys? Okay, so we just made it to our hotel. Actually, in the way down from Burj Khalifa, the fountain show was on, so we managed also to get another, so we also managed to record it again. And yeah, Cedric got something new from here, from Dubai.
My GoPro.
He got a GoPro, yes, for his activities and so on. He travels a lot actually, guys. His channel will be on the link below.
Maybe it'll happen one day.
I hope so. And guys, I wanted to show you something. I wanted to show you what you can get for 12 euros here in Dubai. So the first thing, which I love to get, fruits and so on, for 10 dirhams.
10 dirhams is
That's like 2 euros, I think. So it's very cheap. These are 5 dirhams each, so let's say like 1 euro or 1 point something. And 3 packs of juice, I think, yes. Plus this bounty chocolate. And a cake. In case we don't do anything later on, then except of sleeping. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the rest of our trip. And see you in another one. Bye. Say bye, Cedric.
Bye, man.